So for those of y'all who had a problem with my cicada video in my car the other day, first of all, my apologies. I have a push button start car, and I had already started the car to go to work or something, and I turned it off to get the sound of the cicadas, but I guess it was still in accessory mode. So here you go. This is what it sounds like without the car beeping. This is a constant sound for the last week and a half. Just this constant flittering sound. We've never had it this bad, y'all. We've never heard them this bad.